How to fix Microsoft Teams env_check_error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Corrupted cache files can prevent Teams from functioning correctly, leading to the env_check_error. Clearing the cache can reset Teams' temporary files and often resolves connectivity issues. Delete all content in cache filter. Outdated system files may cause compatibility issues with Microsoft Teams. Wait till Windows downloads and installs all the necessary files. If optional updates are available, install them as well. Reboot your system. If that didn't work,